God does not enjoy our sinfulness, putting us in misery, seeing us live a miserable life. We ourselves who put ourselves in misery by not accepting God's love and God's purpose for us. If we have this sin of pride, you have to counteract it by being humble, reach out to others, help others, and you will be happy in turn. Or the other way around, you feel miserable, you feel you are nobody. Reach out to others, give your love, compassion, forgiveness, and ask them to appreciate you for that. And you will experience heaven here on earth. So that's what God does for each one of us through the Holy Spirit. He sees that we live a happy life. And for that we have to cooperate with God's love and mercy by doing good, by promoting the good values, the good in us. And then you will see here, enjoy heaven here on earth. And so the feast of Pentecost is the preparation which comes to an end with the Easter season. We too are ready to begin our great journey. The church has done her part and enabled us to journey ahead through the celebration of the Paschal events. So with the assurance that we make that journey empowered by the Holy Spirit, makes the journey light and fruitful.